I was riding number 9, heading south from Caroline. I heard the long some whistle blow. Got in trouble, had to roam. Left my gal and left my home. I heard the long some whistle blow. Just a kid acting smart, I went and broke my darling's heart. I guess I was too young to know. They took me off to Georgia, Maine, locked me to a ball and chain. I heard the long some whistle blow. All alone I bear the shame. I'm a number, not a name. I heard the long some whistle blow. All I do is sit and cry when the evening train goes by. I heard the long some whistle blow. I'll be locked here in the cell till my body's just a shell, and my hair turns whiter than snow. I'll never see that gal of mine. Lord, I'm in Georgia doing time. I heard the long some whistle blow.